So, you want to hear what really annoys me? People who act fake. Oh, that annoys me. But I'm sure that annoys everyone. But then there's also those people, like black people who think somebody actually owes them something. Kill me. I mean, how are you gonna walk around slinging the word nigger all over the internet, all over all over everywhere, and then expect everybody else not to use it in your presence? What kind of shit is that? I'm just saying. That doesn't make any sense. Just because your ancestors were slaves doesn't mean it gives you any right to use that word. Because even if your ancestors were alive, they wouldn't like it. Come on now, get a brain. Duh. I mean, my ancestors were slaves. I'm Irish and freaking Italian. So, come on now. They came over here and they had to do slave labor and they got called niggers too. So, does that give me a right to walk around saying, fuck this, you're a nigger, you're blah blah? No. No, it doesn't. It never will. So if you're dumb enough to use the word nigger, if you're that ignorant, maybe somebody should call you it and see how ignorant you are then. I mean, for real though, don't ever use the word nigger. Ever. Ever, ever. Never, ever, ever, ever. Bye.